So how can you use Canva templates? They're very versatile. There are quite literally thousands of them, but how do you use them? First, you have to pick a template design. We're going to go with a YouTube thumbnail. And I was looking at headphones earlier today, so let's just take a look at headphones. And here we have a bunch of templates in regards to headphones. We're just going to pick this top one here. However, this is not quite the style that I want. So I could go through and I could pick the individual pieces and change the different elements. Or I can come back over here to the design panel and find one that's a little more to my liking stylistically, say this one here, hit the triple dots, and I can just apply the styles to this one, or just the text, or just the elements, and it will change things to match the other style, but keeping the formatting of the other one. And then I can still go in here and make adjustments to each thing individually. But what if the template you want isn't just a graphic? What if it's more like a document or a presentation? So we'll come up here to create a new design and say we want to do a presentation, and let's make it a marketing presentation. And we'll select right here a marketing presentation in 16:9 formatting. And from the selection on the left side, we'll just pick this one right here, this marketing plan. It looks all right, and we're just going to apply all 12 pages. And here, very quickly, we now have a really good looking marketing template where we can come in, we can change our primary colors, it goes through all the different areas. And again, if you really like the stylistic choices of one plan, but you want the colors or elements of another, you can again come up to the triple dots, apply styles to page, and it will take all of the different colors and branding and present them on your new format. And once you've applied it to a single page, you can copy the page style, select the rest of your slides, and you can paste that style. Templates are here to make your life easier, to make things happen faster, so that you don't have to create everything yourself. I highly recommend you use them. There's something out there for about anything you need.